Boy, oh boy. Christmas lights. Now you say, what's that got to do with gardening? Well, this is just a quick garden tip for you. Christmas is over. It's after the first of the year. And don't you know, that's when these little mini lights go on sale. You know, as this is Walmart, place I don't really like to go, but I go a lot. And these little lights here are 75% off. So it costs you like 81 cents a pack. So I picked up about 10 packs to help with my gardening, and let's take a look at things. Now let's get all scientific here. I've got my infrared temperature gauge, and when I shine it at the wall, we'll turn it on there. It says it's 72, 73 degrees, but when I bring this over here on these lights, I'm up, they've been on for just a little bit. I'm up to about 100 degrees on these lights now. And you can feel the heat when you put your hand next to it. And you say, well, what's that matter? Well, a lot of people, when they have citrus trees and fruit trees, different ones that are maybe a little more susceptible to cold, they'll wrap these lights around the base, and then they'll put a little bit of an insulation cover on them to keep this warmth in there. Now, what my plans are is when it gets close down to freezing, and it might possibly get a little lower, I'm going to take these lights and put them in my greenhouse around my citrus, and then I can put a row cover on it. And they'll generate this extra heat to keep it warm. And so they'll be in a more comfortable temperature. And I won't have that problem about worrying about them freezing. So be less work on me. I don't have to move them so much, and it's easy enough. These don't draw a lot of juice. They're 100 light strings. Now I don't know exactly how many foot these were. I didn't. Oh, it says it's 19 and a half feet, and my row is like 40 feet. So I can hook 2 strings in line together to go to my row, so that'll give me 5 sets of lights on my row, which should generate quite a bit of heat, as you can see with just this little bit of test here. But anyway, I'm Kenny with Gardening Simplified, and if you want to see more of my gardening tips and how I garden, well, just hit that subscribe and hit the bell. Make sure you're going to get all the notifications, and give it a big thumbs up. Enjoy that gardening experience.